Let us discuss some problems on exercise 5C. In that, the first problem is compute volume, that is the closed brackets. Means we can find out the determinant of the three vectors I minus j, j minus k minus I. The second one is if they have given the three vectors to find out the A dot of B cross C. The first solution is if they have given in the closed brackets means we can find out the volume, that is three vectors volume I minus j, j minus k minus I means that is in the determinant of the three vectors. I coefficient is 1, j coefficient is minus 1, k is 0, I is 0, j is 1, k is minus 1, I is minus 1, j is 0, k is 1. Find out the determinant. It is equal to 1 into 1 ones are 1 minus 0 minus into minus plus 1 0 minus minus 1 into minus 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 1. It is equal to 1 minus 1 equal to 0. This is the volume. Therefore, the closed brackets I minus j, j minus k minus I, volume is 0. This is the first one. The second solution is if given the vectors, given that A vector equal to I minus 2j minus 3k, B vector equal to 2I plus j minus k, C vector equal to I plus 3j minus 2k, compute or to find A dot of B cross C. First, we can find out the cross product in between of the B vector and C vector. Here B vector cross C vector equal to determinant I, j, k. B is 2, 1, minus 1. C is 1, 3, minus 2. It is equal to I into 1 minus 2 is a minus 2 minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus into minus plus 3 minus j into 2 minus 2 is a minus 4 minus 1 minus 1 is a minus 1 minus into minus plus 1 plus k into 2 3 is a 6 minus 1 1 is a 1. It is equal to I minus into minus. It is minus 3, it is 5, it is 1. So I plus 3j plus 5k is the B vector cross C vector. To find out A vector dot of B vector cross C vector equal to A is I minus 2j minus 3k dot I plus 3j plus 5k. Dot product, we know that I dot I equal to j dot j equal to k dot k equal to 1. I dot j equal to j dot k equal to k dot I equal to 0. So it is 1. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Minus 3 into 5 is minus 15. It is minus 21 plus 1 is equal to minus 20. Therefore, A vector dot of B vector cross C vector is equal to minus 20 is the value. Third one, if A equal to 1 minus 1 minus 6, B equal to 1 minus 3, 4 and C equal to 2 minus 5, 3, then compute the following. Here, we can take the A vector. A vector equal to I minus j minus 6k. B vector equal to I minus 3j plus 4k. C vector equal to 2I minus 5j plus 3k. Then we can find out the A dot of B cross C. Second one A cross of B cross C. Third one A cross B cross C. First we can calculate the B cross C by using of the determinant. Then after that we get the vector that vector with the A vector, A dot of B cross C, we get the value. Why? Because vector dot vector is the scalar. Scalar means we get the some value, integer value. Next, second case, already we found here B cross C. Again, we can take the A cross of B cross C means determinant I, J, K, write A vector, write B cross C vector, find out the determinant. The cross product of the two vectors is a vector. Third one is first to find out the A cross B determinant, next to find out the A cross B vector with the cross of C vector determinant. Again, this is the vector. Already we did in the previous problems the same relation. This is, it is for homework. Next, fourth one, simplify the following. Here they have given A, B, C vectors in the point. We can write it as vectors, but in the fourth problem they didn't mention. Here let it be A vector cross B vector dot C vector. First find out the cross product in between of these two vectors with the determinant. We get the vector. Vector dot vector is a scalar here. Next to find out the cross product of these two vectors, we get the vector. Vector dot vector is again we get the scalar. Cross product means using the determinant relation. Dot product means we have the idea, that is I dot I equal to J dot J equal to K dot K equal to 1. I dot J equal to J dot K equal to K dot I equal to 0. From that relation we find out, then we get the some integer value only. These two are homework for you. Next, fifth problem. Find the volume of the parallelepiped having quarter minus edges I plus j plus k, I minus j, and I plus 2j minus k. Here find out the volume means we can find the volume of the three vectors means V is equal to closed bracket of ABC or volume of ABC, that is equal to determinant I, J, K. It is A vector, it is B vector, it is C vector, 1, 1, 1, 1. Here in the three vectors means we can take the determinant of the three vectors, 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 1, 2 minus 1. Find out the determinant. 1 minus 0 minus 1 into minus 1 minus 0 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 equal to 1 plus 1 plus 3 equal to 5. 5 is the volume. Therefore, V equal to 5 cubic units. This is the fifth one. The sixth problem is find small t for which vectors 2i minus 3j plus k, I plus 2j minus 3k, and j minus tk are coplanar. Are coplanar means its volume is equal to 0, then we can say that those three are coplanar or the same plane. That is nothing but integral ABC is equal to, that is volume of ABC equal to 0, then ABC vectors are coplanar. A, B, C are coplanar. Determinant 2 minus 3, 1, 1, 2 minus 3, 0, 1 minus t is equal to 0. From this 2 into minus 2t plus 3 into minus t plus minus 0 plus 1 into 1 minus 0 equal to 0. So minus 4t plus 3 to the 6 minus 3t plus 1 equal to 0. Minus 7t equal to minus 7, t equal to 1. This is the t value. A plus B plus C, comma, A plus PB plus 2C and minus A plus B plus C are coplanar. For non-coplanar vectors A, B, C, that is nothing but A, B, C, A, B and C are non-coplanar. The relation of coplanar means the volume of ABC equal to 0. For non-coplanar means ABC volume is not equal to 0. That has the relation of the non-coplanar vectors. Next, determine small p for which the vectors. Let the given vectors be capital A is equal to A plus B plus C, capital B equal to A plus PB plus 2C, and capital C equal to minus A plus B plus C. To show that capital A, capital B, and capital C are coplanar, determine small p if not show that. To find p, small p, if A, B, C and coplanar, that is nothing but volume of A, B, C equal to 0. Here, volume of A, B, C means we can write it as determinant 1, 1, 1, 1, P, 2, minus 1, 1, 1 into volume of ABC is equal to 0. Here find out the determinant 1 into P minus 2 minus 1 into 1 plus 2 plus 1 into 1 plus P equal to 0. Into volume of ABC equal to 0. Here P minus 2 minus 3 plus 1 plus P into ABC is equal to 0. Here 2P minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4 into volume ABC is equal to 0. Since ABC volume is not equal to 0, why? Because ABC are non-coplanar, then 2P minus 4 should be 0. From this, 2P is equal to 4, P equal to 2. It is from the relation of coplanar of capital ABC vectors with the small ABC non-coplanar vectors, we get the P value is 2 only. Eighth problem. Determine lambda for which the volume of the parallelepiped having quaterminous edges I plus j, 3i minus j and 3j plus lambda k is 16 cubic units. Let it be A, it is B, it is C. The parallelepiped volume is V is equal to volume of ABC. It is equal to 16 cubic units. That is nothing but determinant of 1, 1, 0, 3 minus 1, 0, 0, 3 lambda is equal to 16. You are getting the lambda value after the determinant of the left side and simplify, you get the lambda value. It is also for homework. Already we did the same thing. P, how to find out the P value. And find the volume of the tetrahedron having the edges. The volume of the tetrahedron formula is volume of tetrahedron is equal to 1 by 6 or ABC, volume of ABC. That is equal to 1 by 6 into determinant 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 1. Find out the determinant and simplify. You are get the volume of the tetrahedron. Next, 10th one. Let A, B, C are non-coplanar. Let A, B and C are non-coplanar means the relation of the non-coplanar is its volume is not equal to 0. That we have the relation. Next, to find out the volume of alpha, beta, gamma is equal to determinant 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 minus 2, 3, 0 minus 7 into volume of A, B, C. Find out the determinant 1 into minus 7 minus 0 minus 2 into minus 14 plus 6 plus 3 into 0 minus 3 into A, B, C. Find out the determinant. It is the minus 7. It is equal to minus 8. 8 to the minus into minus plus 8 to the 16. This is the minus 3 3 is a 9. 9 minus 17 is A, B, C. It is minus 16 plus 16 into volume of ABC. It is 0. 0 into something is 0. Why? Because volume of ABC is not equal to 0. It is the solution.